Unlock the potential of AI-powered technology with Midjourney and create stunning visuals in a fraction of the time. See how AI-powered tools can help you reach visual perfection faster than ever before. Are you a professional looking for the perfect way to create stunning visuals in a fraction of the time? Meet Midjourney and unlock the potential of AI-powered technology. With Midjourney, you can turn your project dreams into photorealistic animations, images, and more in no time. But as technology advances, could automation be sacrificing our ability to make personalized designs and individualized decisions? Watch this video to discover the wonders of Midjourney and explore how AI-powered tools can help you reach visual perfection faster than ever before. Subscribe to AI Today and keep watching this video to find out how Midjourney can help you unlock the potential of AI-powered technology and create stunning visuals in no time. Midjourney is making it easier than ever to learn about graphic design and AI-powered technology. With an invite to the Discord chat on Google, you can learn all of this rapidly changing field without leaving your own home. From understanding the basics of interfaces to mastering complicated graphics processes, the possibilities are endless. And as artificial intelligence continues to improve user experience and automation, how will our relationship with digital media be changing? Midjourney technology is revolutionizing graphic design. With AI, users can create amazing images with minimal effort and get results that are tailored to their needs. As our media becomes more complex, AI gives us more control over its accuracy and detail than ever before, but it does raise an important question. Are we giving our decision-making power up by relying on machines? How will this affect decisions made in fields like art or marketing where user preference is essential? At Midjourney, you can customize your project results to fill your individual needs, from photorealistic images of product designs to Disney-style animations. With AI and automation, it's easier than ever to get the exact look or behavior you want in any project. Plus, projects take less time when done with artificial intelligence. But as we use machines more and more for creative purposes, are there any risks? Could giving up human creativity lead us down unexpected paths, or could this be a chance for designers to create faster? What do you think? Can machines replace the human touch in creative projects, or is personalization still essential to success? Leave a comment with your opinion. Are you looking for a way to save time on design and create amazing visuals faster? Midjourney has the perfect solution for you. The AI-powered technology helps designers save time and effort, making their workflow more efficient. With access to customized projects tailored to your individual needs in a fraction of the usual time, this could be just what busy professionals need. But what is the cost of convenience? Is using AI sacrificing creativity or freeing up more energy for professionals to do better work faster? Can affordable tech really make a difference in project outcomes, or is it just lowering expectations when we should be raising them? Midjourney's AI algorithms are revolutionizing how professionals can create visuals. With this sophisticated technology, businesses can get professional results without the high cost of traditional services, in less time and with greater accuracy. Plus, designers no longer have to rely on their own skill level for perfect outcomes. Even beginners can produce stunning results that don't compromise quality or creativity. But as creative projects become more technologically driven, are we sacrificing personalization? Can machines be trusted to make decisions designed specifically for a given project's audience based solely on existing data, or will we always need a human touch? What do you think? Can machines replace the human touch in creative projects, or is personalization still essential to success? Leave a comment with your opinion. The impact of AI on human creativity is a topic that has generated much discussion and debate among experts in the field. While AI has the potential to enhance human creativity by providing new tools and resources, there are also concerns that it could lead to a loss of personalization and individuality in design. One concern is that AI-powered tools and systems can automate many design tasks, reducing the need for human input and creativity. This could lead to more uniform and standardized designs with less emphasis on personal expression and individual style. But some experts argue that AI can actually enhance human creativity by freeing up time and energy for more complex and creative tasks. For example, AI can be used to automate repetitive or time-consuming tasks like data collection and analysis, freeing up designers to focus on more creative aspects of their work. In addition, AI can be used to generate new ideas and designs that would be impossible for humans to create on their own. This can lead to new and innovative forms of design that would not have been possible without AI. Ultimately, the impact of AI on human creativity will depend on how it is used and integrated into the design process. If AI is used as a tool to augment and enhance human creativity, it has the potential to be a valuable resource. But if it's used to automate and replace human creativity, it could lead to a loss of personalization and individuality in design. Midjourney's approach of giving users control and customization options over AI algorithms is a way to address the concerns about the impact of AI on human creativity. By giving users the ability to personalize their designs, Midjourney ensures that the final product retains the user's unique creative touch, rather than being solely generated by an AI.
Moreover, by providing educational resources and fostering a community, Midjourney empowers users to understand this technology behind AI and its impact on the design industry. This education helps users make informed decisions and maintain creative control over the design process. As a result, they can use AI to enhance their creativity and individuality instead of feeling limited by it. In conclusion, by providing users with control and customization options, education, and community support, Midjourney aims to maintain the balance between technology and human creativity in the design process.
Midjourney is changing the way businesses create visuals, from logos to product images and animations. With AI-powered algorithms, you can now make professional results quickly and affordably, even if you're new to graphic design. Plus, you'll always get results that match your exact needs and don't sacrifice quality or creativity. But as projects become more tech-driven to keep up with user expectations, how much of the creative process will be left for humans to interpret? Is automation a double-edged sword when it comes to innovation, helping us save time while limiting our ability to make individualized decisions?
Another important aspect to consider is data privacy and security. With the use of AI, there may be sensitive personal and corporate information stored within the platform. It's important for Midjourney to have clear policies and procedures in place to protect user data and ensure that it is not misused or shared without consent. Furthermore, there is also the question of ownership and intellectual property when using AI in its design. It's important for Midjourney to clearly define and communicate the rights of users and their designs, as well as the rights of the platform and its algorithms. This helps prevent disputes and ensure creative works of users is protected and recognized. In conclusion, it's important for Midjourney to address the ethical concerns surrounding the use of AI in design in order to maintain transparency and responsibility, and to ensure the technology is used for the benefit of users and society as a whole.
Midjourney offers endless possibilities. With its advanced AI algorithms, you can make your wildest designs come to life, from photorealistic product mockups to animations that look like they're straight out of Disney movies. Plus, the technology makes it faster and easier than ever for designers to customize projects according to their needs without sacrificing quality or creativity. But with more businesses using these technologies instead of traditional human-run design processes, is there still room for personalizing projects based on each client's preferences? Could automation be lowering expectations instead of raising them when it comes to creative work? As AI-powered technology is revolutionizing the way that graphic design is done, it's becoming clear that this machine learning can help designers of all skill levels by freeing them from mundane tasks and giving them the freedom to explore more creative solutions. With these advanced tools, projects can be completely and moved more quickly and accurately, allowing you to take detail to a whole new level. But as businesses are becoming more dependent on automated processes for individuals, how does this rely on our ability to personalize things one-to-one? Is automation transforming creativity or just streamlining existing user needs, without leaving room for something truly original from users? Midjourney is revolutionizing graphic design with AI algorithms that make creating visuals faster and easier than ever before. Users can customize projects to their exact needs and get professional results without compromising quality or creativity. But as businesses become more reliant on automation, is there still room for personalization and originality? With Midjourney, you can explore the possibilities of AI-powered technology, and you can learn to use it to create stunning visuals without sacrificing your own creative freedom. Are you ready to find out if dall-e is still good? In this video, we're going to be exploring how AI-powered algorithms can help businesses create visuals faster and more efficiently, but at what cost? Don't miss out. Watch this new video to learn about Midjourney and the implication of AI-powered visuals. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, join AI today by subscribing.